How to fix Facebook Messenger camera not working for video calls. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So many Facebook Messenger users have reported that their camera isn't working during video calls, displaying only a black screen. Fixing this issue is usually simple and it involves a few steps. So first of all, you need to go ahead and check for hardware problems. For that, open your phone settings. Now, once you're in the settings, tap on the search icon in the top and search for camera. Tap on About Camera. Then, after, simply scroll down from the camera settings and tap on Reset Settings in the bottom. Tap on Reset again to confirm. And this will reset all the settings on camera and simply fix the error. The next thing you can do is go ahead and scroll all the way down from the system settings and go to Apps. Search for camera. Now scroll down and go to storage and then click on clear cache. You can also tap on clear data, but make sure that this includes all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you have to be very careful regarding that. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Now simply search for Messenger application. Scroll down and go to storage and then click on clear cache. Now tap on battery and make sure that it is set to optimized or unrestricted. After these steps, check if the camera problem is solved. Scroll all the way down and go to software update, and if there is any update available, install it. So if the Messenger camera still shows a black screen after these steps, leave a comment describing the issue. So that's all for this video. I hope these steps will help you resolve your problem. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.